We all love music, but did you know that music helps people connect? Research have shown that synchronization to music can bring people together. Hi, I'm Veronica. I help teams connect and work more efficiently. In this video, I'm gonna show you an exercise that will help you and your team increase your attention to detail, have a longer memory span, and improve your team organization. Now I'm going to show you 3 different rhythms and you need to choose one of them. You are going to follow the rhythm you choose through the video. Number 1. You are going to use your hands. Number 2. You are going to use a pen and a wired notebook. Number 3. You are going to use 2 pens. Pause the video here if you need more time. So, how did it go? Hope you have enjoyed our mini workshop and please let us know what you think in the comments. Remember to like or dislike and subscribe for more. Bye!